Now, franchises under $30,000 for sale are generally going to be in the service industry. This could be commercial cleaning, it could be travel agency concepts, it could be waste management solutions. There's all different types of service franchises that are available for those that want to invest less than $30,000 in a franchise. Be aware, under $30,000, there's actually a lot of business opportunities that are marketed as franchises, like vending machine options, ATM type businesses that boost about having passive income, but they're not required to have the same disclosure as a franchise in terms of disclosing estimated investment amounts, the litigation, experience of the executive team, openings and closures. So just do your due diligence. If a business does not give you a franchise disclosure document, as if it's being marketed as a franchise, they're legally required to give you a franchise disclosure document if you're in the United States. So under $30,000, there's a lot of business opportunities that are packaged and sound like a franchise, might even be marketed as a franchise, but they're not actually franchises. All franchises on Vetted Biz are clearly stated and noted as franchises, and we even give the source of when we last got the information from their FDD. For those that don't know what an FDD is, it's the franchise disclosure document that, again, is required if you're going to buy any franchise. You're going to receive this document in the very initial phases of investigating that franchise. Again, lots of cleaning concepts. I'm not a big fan of residential cleaning, as you're competing with people that operate in the gray market where you have people still paying cash for their cleaners. And then you're also competing with technology firms that are launching apps where you can get a cleaner on demand. Where commercial cleaning, if I was going to open up a franchise in this space, would be a lot more attractive because you're dealing with business professionals. You generally have a contract that could be up for a year, and you're getting paid every week or every month for services rendered. Some notable franchises under $30,000, and you can listen to our podcast or watch our video on Chick-fil-A franchise, which is $10,000, as well as Steak and Shake franchise, which is $10,000. Now, both those franchises do not operate as traditional franchises where you own and operate and you get 100% of the profits, but for the right candidate, they might be worth exploring.